Welcome to Core Hospitality, managing leading hotel brands across the Nordics with precision, high standards, and uncompromising quality. For them, hospitality goes beyond good service. It's about creating exceptional guest experiences. Scaling that operational excellence is not easy.
Here's Toke Svensson to tell you why.
The old system was just time-consuming and it was not efficient. We have 20 properties based around Denmark and Norway. When we changed to Marriott and the Marriott network provider, everything stopped working because it was not complying with the network requirements. And then we had to have everything reconfigured and the firewalls and stuff like that. The properties that were already running on Verkada, we didn't have that issues. We plug in the camera and it works.
That's when Toke decided to switch to Verkada's command platform, where cameras, access control, intercoms, and other devices can all be on the same platform.
When we installed Verkada, we were actually able to decrease our installation cost. And the reason why is that it's so much more easy to install. You can just say to an electrician, put the camera up there, and we will actually take care of the rest. We will put all the serial numbers in Verkada command. I could see it in the portal instantly.
One unified platform. Every property, every door, every camera, managed in real time.
We have staff in Copenhagen and SPR monitor each other's intercoms with a fail-safe that lets the other property assist instantly if reception is unattended. It's a demand by Marriott that need to have panic buttons in all our fitness rooms. We were looking into different systems and then we just realized that we actually had the possibility to install the Verkada intercom as a panic button. When we thought about it, it actually made good sense because we could integrate it into our existing Verkada solution. It was just so much more easy. If we have incidents like a suspicious person lingering on or around the property for more than a day, we can mark them, search, download all footage and have complete evidence of their activity. A task that could take several days now take 2 minutes, and that is just incredible.
From the heart of Copenhagen to every corner of the Nordics, Core Hospitality runs smart. The result? 30% reduction in security installation costs and investigation times improvement of over 95%.
I have installed CCTV for 15 years and this is the absolute easiest installation I ever made.